I've had MS for probably 30 years or more, and nothing really works with MS because it's one of those things that MS says, well, you're going to walk better today, and it says, really? No, you're not. So I fight with my legs every day, Tweedledee and Tweedledum, but this H2 water, has given me some relief, which I've never had. It took away the numbness in my waist, which nothing else has done, and I now can feel my fingertips, which I haven't felt my fingertips in about 10 years or more. And it's kind of funny when you have to go in your pocket to get a coin with your left hand because your right hand doesn't know what kind of coin is in your right pocket. So it's very, very good. So I suggest you take it because it's not a cure, but it does help a lot. It's one of the very, very few things I've ever taken that I've gotten instant relief from. So I suggest you take it.